Hello everyone, myself Aditya Shinde from Guru Govind Singh Polytechnic Nasik. I study diploma in electrical branch. Subject industrial AC motor. Our topic name is servo motor and its types. This PPT is projected by Aditya Shinde, Atharva Satpute, Aniket Ugle and Sanket Patil. Contains introduction, types of servo motors, DC servo motor, AC servo motor, positional rotation servo motor, continuous rotation servo motor, linear servo motor, advantages, disadvantages, and applications. Introduction. A servo motor is a rotary actuator that allows for precise control of angular position, velocity, and acceleration. Servos are found in many places, from toys to home electronics to cars and aeroplanes. Servo also appear behind the scenes in devices we use every day.
Type of servo motors: DC servo motor, AC servo motor, positional rotation servo motor, continuous rotation servo motor, linear servo motor. DC servo motor. The motor which is used a DC servo motor generally have a separate DC source in the field winding and the armature winding. The control can be achieved by controlling the armature current of the field winding. Field current, field control induce some particular advantages over armature control. AC servo motor. AC servo motor is an AC motor that includes encoder used with the control for giving the closed loop control and the feedback. This motor can be placed to high accuracy and also control precisely as compulsory for the application.
Positional rotation servo motor. Positional rotation servo motor is the most common type of servo motor. The shaft OP rotates in about 180. It includes physical stop located in the gear mechanism to stop turning outside. This limits to guard the rotation sensor. This common servo involved in radio control water, radio control cars, aircraft, robots, toys, and many other applications. Continuous rotation servo motor. Continuous rotation servo motor is quite related to common positional rotation servo motor, but it can go in any direction indifferently. The control signal, rather than set the static position of servo, is understood as the speed of direction of rotation. The range of potential commands source the servo to rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise as preferred at changing speed depending on the command signal. This type of motor is used in radar dish. If you are riding one a boat, or you can use one as a drive motor, one mobile. Linear servo motor. Linear servo motor is also similar. The positional rotation servo motor is discussed above, but with an extra gears to alter the opposite from circular to and forth. Their servo motor are not simple to find, but sometimes you can find them at hobby stores where they are used as actuators in higher model.
Advantages: first, high output power relative to motor size and weight. Second, encoder determines accuracy and resolution. Third, high efficiency. It can approach 90% at light loads. Fourth, high torque to inertia ratio. Radio servo motor can rapidly accelerate loads. Fifth, quite at high speeds. Sixth, servo motors achieve high speed at high torque values. 7, has 2 to 3 times more continuous power for short periods. 8, has 5 to 10 times more rated torque for short periods. 9, encoder utilization provides higher accuracy and resolution with closed loop control. Disadvantages: first, servo motor requires running to stabilize the feedback loop. Second, servo motor will become unpredictable when something breaks, so safely circuit are required. Third, complex controller requires encoder and electronic supporter. Fourth, peak torque is limited to a 1% duty cycle. Servo motors can be damaged by sustained overload. Fifth, gearboxes are often required to deliver power at higher speed. Sixth, overall system cost and the installation cost of the servo motor system may be higher than that of a stepper motor due to requirement for feedback components. Applications. First, the servo motor is used in robotic to activate movements, giving the arm to its precise angle. Second, the servo motor is used to start, move, and stop conveyor belts carrying the product along with many stages. For instance, product labeling, bottling, and packaging. Third, servo motor is built into the camera to correct a lens of the camera to improve out of focus images. Fourth, the servo motor is used in robotic vehicles to control the robot wheels, producing plenty torques to move, start and stop the vehicle and control its speed. Fifth, the servo motor is used in textile to control spinning and weaving machines, knitting machines, and looms. Sixth, the servo motor is used in automatic door openers to control the doors in public places like supermarkets, hospitals, and theaters. Thank you.